this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Venus in Libra. And Venus is at home in Libra, and it likes to be here. Venus feels its best here, and with this placement, people believe that they can achieve anything if they, when they act calmly. They love to be in relationships. Being in relationships make them feel very balanced. They like to go with the flow. They're very relaxed people. They're very diplomatic and peaceful. They want just everybody to get along. They love beauty and fashion. They need to be appreciated by their partner. They don't like to be alone. They're very loyal. Whatever they do for work will be very balanced, and they'll enjoy it. They'll enjoy working with others. They like to share their ideas with people. They're very fair. They will usually have a very loving, caring partner. They're not very jealous or judgmental, and they're usually very happy-go-lucky kind of people. And this is my interpretation of Venus in Libra.